Shynrai Lakadong jong ke Meghalaya ubadon hakayo kahat kebahe bat yat yo minta ulayo ya ke Jingithuh geographical indication tag. Registrar ka geographical indications Shynrai ulapin khamti ya ke GI ya Shynrai Lakadong haka ap kandai tarik unai wing. Kani ke Jingithuh kadai umau jam ba kongsan ya ke jela bat ke Shnong Lakadong ban itu ya kum katelong jong Shynrai wa bhatam ha ke perthai. La jubna ba ulong kum u jingsho ba penkia Shynrai Lakadong udon ya ke dawai antioxidant bat anti-inflammatory. Menteri Rangba Kongrat ke sang mau lai kublai ya kipai nong rep da ka pensya ya ka jingyat lenti jongki ke balas dang saus nem menshwa datang kumbashi hajar ngot ki nong rep ki bar rep ya Shynrai.
Gone for GI tagging, as I said, we've just got for Lakadong. We are trying to ensure that all of these backlogs, I should say, or things should have been done some time back. We had started the process, as I said, for Lakadong turmeric about 4 years back, and we're very happy that now the Lakadong turmeric has a GI tag, and which makes it now unique, which means that it is specific to our region. The value of the product goes up, and it helps us in overall marketing the product at a global level.